Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. This is second video of user defined exception. Here we are going to learn about raise application error. So what is raise application error? Raise application error is an inbuilt procedure with two mandatory parameters. These parameters are error number and error message. And error number should be in between 20,000 to 20,999. Okay, what's the syntax of that? We have to write raise underscore application underscore error, then error number comma error message. Very simple and very easy. Okay, now let's come down. Using this procedure we can associate an error number with custom error message actually, which a meaningful message to the end user. Okay, so combining both the error number and custom error message, we can compose an error string which looks similar to those default error string which are displayed by the Oracle engine when error occurs. Okay, here I have I've written an example for that which will help us to understand about raise application error in a better way. So for that, let me explain you this thing first. So in our declare section I have written v underscore age variable which is of number type, and here in begin section here in our if condition, what I have written v underscore age is less than 18, then raise underscore application underscore error. This is the error number which is actually in between 20,000 to 20,999. so I have written 20,001. so raise application error minus 20,001, you are below 18. So actually it lies in between minus 20,000 to minus 20,999. okay, so that is what I have written here. You are below 18, message I'm giving if age is less than 18. okay, if age is not less than 18, it will come to this place. The cursor the code will this code will get skipped and we will get output as you are adult. okay, and the same thing one sec. Yeah, what I'm doing here in exception block, I have written when others, then dbms underscore output dot put underscore line SQLERRM. This is a function actually which gives us the result whatever the last exception we are getting. The last exception will be getting caught by this SQLERRM, and we are printing the value of this thing actually. So here the last exception is this. Okay, the last exception raise application error, and we are getting this value into our SQLERRM and we are printing this value actually. Okay, so hope this example is clear to you. Let me copy the code and paste in a SQL workshop to get the results. Control C and paste it here, Control V, and run this code. So before running this code, let me pass some value here. So I'm going to pass value as 10. okay, now let's run this code. So yeah, so as you can see we got output as ORA 2001 20,001, you are below 18. so this is what our output is, the same error what we are passing here actually. okay, let me pass some other value. Let's pass 20, which is actually greater than 18. Now run this code. So here we got result as you are adult. So we are not getting this error actually. We are getting result as you are adult because the SQL engine is not getting into this block of code actually. okay, now let's pass some value which is actually less than 18 and run this code again just to show you something else this time. So we are getting this error because of this because of this exception block. Let me remove this exception block, and whatever we have written here, raise application error, so this time what we will get the same error as the error how we get in our by our Oracle engine actually. okay, let's run this code. So as you can see we got the error as this you are below 18, but in this way actually we are not getting any output this time, we are getting an error actually. So this is how a raise application error work. Hope the example and concept of this thing is clear to you. For any confusion or doubt, let me know in comment box, and please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. That's it for today. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.